Yeah.
Leo the lawnmower. The gardeners don't even have to take care of this patch of grass because Leo takes care of it. Look at him. He bites it sideways. This way he gets a precision cut.
And it has a bushel in his mouth before he swallows.
Yeah. Look at him. Leo. Do you have anything to say? What? What'd you say? Oh my gosh, Leo. You have a lot to say this morning. Alright, carry on. Oh, what is that?
He eats those?
Oh my goodness!
Those.
What is that? Flowers? Oh my gosh. It's my birthday today. This is Leo's birthday. Look at him eating the flowers.
My God, he eats so much.
Eating pooping machine.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's gotten so big since last year.
He's gonna rifle through that whole pile of flowers. Alright, say goodbye, Leo.